Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What is the primary focus of neuroscience as a field of study? Is it A, environmental science, B, genetic engineering, or C, brain functions? It is C, brain functions. What does time horizon refer to? Is it A, risk, B, profit, or C, duration? It is C, duration. What is the capital city of Serbia? Is it A, Belgrade, B, Novi Sad, or C, Nice? It is A, Belgrade. What geological feature is associated with the Tonga Trench? Is it A, mountain range, B, subduction zone, or C, volcano chain? It is B, subduction zone. In which city is the Fiesta de San Isidro primarily celebrated? Is it A, Barcelona, B, Madrid, or C, Seville? It is B, Madrid. Which body of water is Poseidon the god of in Greek mythology? Is it A, earth, B, sky, or C, sea? It is C, sea. What genre is Psycho and similar films classified as? Is it A, comedy, B, romantic drama, or C, dark thriller? It is C, dark thriller. What type of pasta is pappardelle known for being? Is it A, wide noodles, B, stuffed shells, or C, thin strands? It is A, wide noodles. What position did Nguyen Xuan Phuc hold as the leader of Vietnam from 2016 to 2021? Is it A, president, B, prime minister, or C, general secretary? It is B, prime minister. What is the primary ingredient typically used to make sauté skewers? Is it A, fish, B, beef, or C, chicken? It is C, chicken. What is Los Angeles famously known as due to its association with the film industry? Is it A, Broadway, B, Silicon Valley, or C, Hollywood? It is C, Hollywood. What is a well-known communication method used by dolphins? Is it A, sign language, B, echolocation, or C, whistling? It is B, echolocation. What is the primary function of a Turing machine in computer science? Is it A, store data, B, simulate algorithms, or C, encrypt information? It is B, simulate algorithms. Which city-state was known for its democratic system in ancient Greece? Is it A, Athens, B, Sparta, or C, Corinth? It is A, Athens. What mathematical concept is Benoit Mandelbrot best known for developing? Is it A, calculus, B, topology, or C, fractals? It is C, fractals. What type of card game is gin rummy classified as? Is it A, auction, B, knockout, or C, trick-taking? It is B, knockout. Which position did Salvador Allende serve as in Chile from 1970 until his death in 1973? Is it A, senator, B, prime minister, or C, president? It is C, president. What is the primary use of an ultrasound machine in medicine? Is it A, imaging organs, B, blood testing, or C, X-ray scanning? It is A, imaging organs. What type of film is coda primarily classified as? Is it A, drama, B, horror, or C, science fiction? It is A, drama. What is the primary habitat of reindeer in the wild? Is it A, tundra, B, desert, or C, rainforest? It is A, tundra. What is the primary objective in the sport of fencing? Is it A, reach the end zone, B, break weapons, or C, score points? It is C, score points. Who is credited with formulating the theory of evolution by natural selection? Is it A, Charles Darwin, B, Gregor Mendel, or C, Albert Einstein? It is A, Charles Darwin. What is the primary focus of Blue Origin's business? Is it A, electric cars, B, space tourism, or C, renewable energy? It is B, space tourism. Which sea lies between the eastern coast of Italy and the western Balkans? Is it A, Aegean Sea, B, Adriatic Sea, or C, Ionian Sea? It is B, Adriatic Sea. In Greek mythology, what type of creature is Lamia known to be? Is it A, monster, B, goddess, or C, hero? It is A, monster. What is the title of Thomas Aquinas' influential work on theology and philosophy? Is it A, City of God, B, Divine Comedy, or C, Summa Theologica? It is C, Summa Theologica. What suit is represented by hearts in cards? Is it A, diamonds, B, hearts, or C, clubs? It is B, hearts. What type of investment company is Alden known for managing? Is it A, technology, B, real estate, or C, pharmaceuticals? It is B, real estate. What is the primary purpose of police cameras? Is it A, traffic enforcement, B, speed monitoring, or C, crime prevention? It is C, crime prevention. What is the main purpose of reinvestment in business? Is it A, limit expenses, B, increase growth, or C, reduce debt? It is B, increase growth. What is the study of how living organisms function known as? Is it A, biology, B, physiology, or C, anatomy? It is B, physiology. What is Jane Goodall best known for in the field of science? Is it A, chimpanzee research, B, marine biology, or C, botany? It is A, chimpanzee research. What is the capital city of Seychelles? Is it A, Port Louis, B, Victoria, or C, Nairobi? It is B, Victoria. What television show is Carson Daly known for hosting late at night? Is it A, Saturday Night Live, B, The Daily Show, or C, Last Call? It is C, Last Call. What does market capitalization refer to in finance? Is it A, stock price, B, company profit, or C, total company value? It is C, total company value. Which empire did Francisco Pizarro conquer in South America? Is it A, Aztec Empire, B, Inca Empire, or C, Maya Empire? It is B, Inca Empire. Which club did Sadio Mane join in 2016, where he became a key player and helped win the UEFA Champions League? Is it A, Southampton, B, Bayern Munich, or C, Liverpool? It is C, Liverpool. What is Lady Macbeth's main ambition in Shakespeare's play Macbeth? Is it A, to defeat rivals, B, to become queen, or C, to rule Scotland? It is B, to become queen. What are countries that have temporarily waived their right to host the Winter Olympics? Is it A, waiver countries, B, host countries, or C, bid cities? It is A, waiver countries. What theory is Stephen Hawking best known for regarding black holes? Is it A, Hawking radiation, B, quantum mechanics, or C, theory of relativity? It is A, Hawking radiation. What record did Usain Bolt set in the 100 meters at the 2009 World Championships? Is it A, 9.84 seconds, B, 9.73 seconds, or C, 9.58 seconds? It is C, 9.58 seconds. What geological feature is known for being the deepest part of the ocean located near Indonesia? Is it A, Java Trench, B, Mariana Trench, or C, Puerto Rico Trench? It is A, Java Trench. What is the capital city of Slovakia? Is it A, Bratislava, B, Prague, or C, Budapest? It is A, Bratislava. What term describes the study of changes in gene expression that do not involve changes to the underlying DNA sequence? Is it A, epigenetics, B, genetics, or C, biotechnology? It is A, epigenetics. Which Oscar-winning film starred Jennifer Lawrence as a young woman trying to survive in a dystopian world? Is it A, American Hustle, B, Silver Linings Playbook, or C, The Hunger Games? It is C, The Hunger Games. Which Canadian territory does Baffin Island belong to? Is it A, Northwest Territories, B, Yukon, or C, Nunavut? It is C, Nunavut. What significant work did Maimonides author that discusses Jewish law and philosophy? Is it A, Torah Scroll, B, Talmud Bavli, or C, Mishneh Torah? It is C, Mishneh Torah. Which American snowboarder has won 3 Olympic gold medals? Is it A, Lindsey Vonn, B, Shaun White, or C, Chloe Kim? It is B, Shaun White. Which geographic region in East Africa includes Somalia and Ethiopia? Is it A, Sahara, B, Horn of Africa, or C, Great Rift Valley? It is B, Horn of Africa. What type of content is SS Sniper Wolf primarily known for on YouTube? Is it A, travel vlogs, B, cooking tutorials, or C, gaming videos? It is C, gaming videos. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.